the three P's are all I got. I'm allowed to be a parent. I'm allowed to wear my kid's neck or, initials around my neck, not mine. I'm allowed
Mm.
to be a partner, support my husband in, or, any other type of partnership. But typically affects a lot of, women married to men. So that's what I'm talking about primarily. I can help my husband grow his business and of course not get any credit for it. And then I'm allowed to be a professional. Like my partner likes when I bring money in.
Mm.
So I was like, well, what about the fact that you used to be a skier? What about the fact that you love to be a performer? What
Mhm.
happened to your love um, of acrobatics? Like the
Mhm.
trapeze, like our cousin Jessica, who like loved trapeze and she just didn't do it for 10 years. What you want to go be in the circus? Like, where are all those things? And women were laughing because it was so absurd for them to think that they could say, my name is Beth and I'm a parent and a trapeze artist.
Mhm.
Like, it just doesn't, it's not how women are conditioned to be.